Ready to transform your WordPress site into an interactive powerhouse with stunning forms. Let's dive straight into seamlessly integrating Typeform. First, from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins and then click Add New. This is where the magic begins. In the search bar, type Typeform. You'll see the official Typeform plugin appear. It's the key to connecting your forms. Click Install now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. This brings the Typeform functionality into your WordPress site. Look for the new Typeform option now in your WordPress menu, usually on the left-hand side. Click on that. It's time to connect your account. You'll see a Connect to Typeform button. Click it and you'll be redirected to Typeform to authorize the connection. Log into your Typeform account if prompted, and then click Accept to grant WordPress access. Don't worry, this is secure. You'll be redirected back to WordPress, and you should see a confirmation message. Now, all your Typeforms are accessible from WordPress. To embed a form, edit any page or post, click the plus button to add a block, search for Typeform, and select the Typeform block. Use the drop-down menu to select the Typeform you want to embed. Choose the right one. And that's it, your form is now embedded. Click Update or Publish to make it live on your website. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Typeform with WordPress. Now go create some amazing forms and boost your website's engagement.